Welcome to GetawayGeese. We are Stu and Jane, and with Harry, our Ford custom auto camper, we share our adventures.
Welcome back to another Q&A. So I've got a few more questions, so let's get straight into it. We'll go for a trip one. This is from Wizard in the Wild, Ellie and Graham. Hi Ellie and Graham. Also, they said, if you could turn back time and not have been made redundant, would you still be wanting to do long tours like you have as your dream for the future? So having done, I guess, a long tour, would we still want to do that? Yeah.
Our intention is to hopefully make them longer.
Yeah. I think we get most enjoyment out when we really
when
relax
we're on the road,
and relax into the trip. So for us, a longer trip, I think is better for us.
Yeah. I could easily do 3-4 months.
Yeah.
Easily. Yeah. If not longer.
Yeah.
Could you?
Don't know. Well, I haven't done
well.
We did 10 weeks. We did 9 weeks easy in Ireland. And I always said to you, we could have carried. I felt as though we could have carried on. So I think if it's a good trip, yes. I mean, we haven't done one where we've gone to a trip where we go, oh, I want to go home yet. Maybe that will come.
No, I guess what's going to be our longest trip is next year when we go to Ireland.
Back to Ireland.
Yeah, when we go to Europe, we have to come back because we've got things on.
Yeah.
But when we go to Ireland next year, beginning of next year,
not so well planned in advance, are we?
Hopefully haven't got anything on that we can make it as long as we can. Yeah,
so we might have an open ticket when we go next time. Who knows?
Definitely.
So no, we'd definitely do it all again. Ellie and Graham would definitely want to have the longer trips.
Yeah.
We enjoy those. Okay, so let's move on to a YouTube one. This is from the Sandvan down in Australia. Hi guys.
Hi. We're hoping to come to you.
Yeah.
Not to you personally, but we're hoping to get over there.
Yeah, got friends over there, so we definitely want to do Australia if we could. That would be another
the dream.
A dream.
Yeah.
Who are your main influencers, inspirations on YouTube, and favourite channels? This has definitely evolved over 4.5 years, because before we had the van, we were looking at all sorts, to be honest. And in those days, for me, I was looking at the Russos, which are an American couple. I followed them quite a lot, and Trent and Ali. They're Americans as well, and I was just getting into the whole life of moving around.
Yeah.
The indie projects, the Explorers. I still watch the Explorers occasionally on those. So those sort of got me into it, and then we started to share those, didn't we?
To be fair, Ken and Carol are legends, aren't they?
Yeah, that was
Life is too short.
We then came across Life is Too Short, Ken and Carol, and then they become an inspiration from being out to wild camp, and also what you can do in a small van.
How they manage in their van, I mean, they're incredible. We kill each other. And
we got to know Ken and Carol because I then got to know Ken rather from I joined he had a Facebook forum for storytelling and videos, and I got into that, so that just helped me enormously. That has, from a videoing perspective.
Yeah, he's really mentored you, hasn't he, in videos and
obviously through that we got to know Mike and Trish, who was a great storyteller himself. So if you go to We Broom Van, if you go to his channel, he's got some great videos and storytelling. So those two are definitely up there. So I think those are the channels that we're following, and that from a perspective. But from an initial inspiration point of view, I said there was those channels I mentioned earlier that got me into, I might like this life, and then got you into it, and that then sort of from there on.
It just, and this is why we do the videos. Like, if we can get out there and do it, anyone can. If we can manage. Yeah. Well, Stu's very organised. If I didn't have Stu, I probably wouldn't be able to manage. But
Okay, the next one. Let's go do a van one. So a van one here. This is from John Armstrong 4015 off YouTube. What is the best thing you like about Harry? The best thing you like about Harry? The
best thing I like about Harry is being out on the road with Stu and just having that life and that freedom. The sense of freedom is just...
Why Harry?
Oh, okay. Harry, I just love Harry. He's just so cute. What was the question again?
So what is the best thing you like about Harry?
The best thing I like about Harry? Oh, he's just like one of the family. He's just like our baby, isn't he? You know,
you do refer to it as that.
Yeah, I do.
Sad.
He's just like,
Piece of metal.
Says the man that has separation issues from him. Yeah, I'm not the one that takes long walks around. Keep looking at Harry.
Yeah, no. I think for me, I think the best thing I like about Harry is the size. We could jump out there and go off very quickly. We could go off for the day. You know, put some milk in the fridge, tea bags, take some stuff for sandwiches, and we could be off within an hour easily. And it doesn't take long for big trips, so it's very usable. That's because of the size. So if Jane's out in the car and I need a second vehicle to go somewhere, I could just jump in. I don't have to worry about parking. I could park anywhere with him.
Yeah, it's really versatile. Like one of our sons lives about 10 minutes away, and we're going to go and we can have a few drinks and stop over the night. So it's easy. He's versatile and he's cute.
Yeah. So I think it's definitely the size for me is my initial thought about why Harry.
Sorry, I completely misunderstood the question, didn't I? The freedom and Stu.
She didn't listen.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, go on. Have you answered the question, or is that just
size?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Size.
Yeah.
You didn't answer the question.
And he's cute.
You need to listen more.
Oh no, sorry.
And the next question is from 4potslight169. Beside another trip to Ireland, what country would be a bucket list that you would love to visit on your bucket list? So another country.
Mine's Australia.
Well, when we go in Harry in Australia. Okay,
no, but we would have a campervan in Australia.
Yeah.
And Switzerland. Oh, just too many really. Switzerland.
I've been to Switzerland through work just for a couple of weeks, and we went to a couple of places, and I just love the whole feel of Switzerland. I know it's not that easy to wild camp out of there, but I'd love to take Jane to Switzerland because I saw it in I think it was in the springtime, blue skies, mountains, top mountains, all that stuff
amazing.
that you can imagine.
Yeah.
That was really nice. I do like the look of Croatia. That looks really nice, and we've actually fortunate enough to be on a cruise down there, and it looks really, that whole coastline, Montenegro and all that type of stuff looks really nice down that way.
Yeah. It's the beauty about having the van though, isn't it? Like, especially in Europe, hopefully we're going to just go and explore places that
we'll get further and further away.
Bucket list. Mine would definitely be Australia and
my son's been to Poland, and he said it's fantastic. He said, so there's places we don't know, to be perfectly honest. So I think that's the beauty. But I think Switzerland and Croatia are probably on my to do. You've got Australia for that, and I'd love to go to Australia as well. It's a different type of trip. That is the questions that we've got, so hope you've enjoyed that one. If you've got any more questions, put them in the comments and we'll do another video, so hope you enjoyed that.
But we won't be dressed up.
No, we won't be dressed up next time, and my hair will be grown probably.
Yeah,
and that's
hopefully.
See you next time.